Welcome to your French class. Today we'll do one mixed exercise of passé composé et imparfait. So we'll learn how to use both the tenses in a single sentence. So passé composé we use for one-time actions and imparfait we use to show continuity of the same action. Complétez les phrases en utilisant l'imparfait ou le passé composé. The first sentence is le garagiste dash la pression de mes pneus, il dash assez gonflé. So we'll try to understand the meaning of the sentence first. Here we are saying the mechanic, verify is to check. The mechanic checked my tire pressure. They were not enough inflated. So here the mechanic checked is one time action. So this portion should be in passé composé. And here we are discussing a state of tire. They were not enough inflated. So it should be in imparfait. So the sentence should be la garagiste a vérifié la pression de mes pneus, il n'était pas assez gonflé. The mechanic checked my tire pressure, they were not enough inflated. The second sentence is aux États-Unis, je dash beaucoup de monde qui dash les cheveux verts ou rouges. Again, we'll understand the meaning first. In the United States, voir is to see. I saw lots of punks who had green or red hair. So if they were having a certain color on their hair, it was the same for the entire past moment which we are discussing here. So first portion should be in passé composé because it is one time action, and second portion should be in imparfait because it is showing continuity of the same action here with the same color. Aux États-Unis, j'ai vu beaucoup de punks qui avaient les cheveux verts ou rouges. In the United States, I saw lots of punks who had green or red hair. Third one is Jacques dash depuis 5 heures quand un orage éclatait. Éclater is to hit and conduire is to drive. So let's here understand the meaning first. So it should be like Jack was driving for 5 hours when the storm hit. So when the storm hit is one time action and Jack was driving, he was continuously driving. So it will be like he had been driving for 5 hours. It should be in imparfait. It is showing the continuity of the same action of driving. Jacques conduisait depuis 5 heures quand un orage a éclaté. So Jack had been driving, or Jack was driving for 5 hours when a thunderstorm broke out. Fourth sentence is quand elle dash, il dash 10 heures. So se réveiller is to wake up, and here it should be like when she woke up, it was 10 o'clock. So when she woke up is one time action. So it should be quand elle s'est réveillée, il était 10 heures. When she woke up, it was 10 o'clock. Now the fifth sentence. L'année dernière, nous dash la France et nous dash au théâtre plusieurs fois. So the last year something happened. Last year we visited France. So one time action, it should be in passé composé, and we were going to theater several times. It is showing continuity of the same action, going to the theater. So it should be in imparfait. L'année dernière, nous avons visité la France et nous allions au théâtre plusieurs fois. Means last year we visited France and several times we went to theater. Sixth one is elle dash au momo ou nous dash d'elle. So let's understand it first. She dash arriver is to arrive. So it should be like she arrived at the moment when we were talking about her. So this ou is here, pronoun relative simple case, and it should be translated here as when. The sentence should be elle était arrivée au moment où nous parlions d'elle. Means she arrived at the moment when we were talking about her. So she arrived is one time action and we were talking is showing continuity of the action. Now the seventh one. Hier, nous dash Christelle quand nous dash dans le parc. Rencontrer is to meet. So it should be like yesterday we met Christelle when we dash in the park. Se promener is to walk. So when we were walking in the park. Hier, nous avons rencontré Christelle quand nous nous promenions dans le parc. Yesterday, we met Christelle when we were walking in the park. Now the eighth one. Pascal dash quand le téléphone dash. Dormir is to sleep and sonner is to ring. So it should be like Pascal was sleeping when the phone rang. So was sleeping is imparfait and phone bell rang is passé composé. So it should be Pascal dormait quand le téléphone a sonné means Pascal was sleeping when the phone rang. Now the next one. Il leur dash quel livre elle. Lire is to read and demander is to ask. So it should be like he asked them which books they were reading. So it should be a demandé here and lisez to show continuity. Il leur a demandé quel livre elle lisait. So he asked them which books they were reading. The next one is hier, comme il dash, je dash mon parapluie. So yesterday, as it was raining, I took my umbrella. So it was raining is a continuous action. It should be in imparfait. And this side should be in passé composé. It is one-time action. I took my umbrella. Hier, comme il pleuvait, j'ai pris mon parapluie. Yesterday, as it was raining, I took my umbrella. So that's it for the day. See you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.